Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to set the time zone automatically, then watch this video. Now it's very simple folks, just right click on the start button, go to settings, click on time and language, click on date and time, and then you just make this in the on position, this radio buttons, slide it to the on position, and the most important part about why you need to do this is a lot of things, a lot of processes depend upon the correct date and time. For example, if you're using the internet in your browsing sites, then if you use the wrong date and time, it can cause a corruption in the SSL certificates, and it can throw up a lot of errors. You will not be able to access the page. Another thing is there are certain processes like task manager or command prompt which also depend on this time and time being synced with the time of your system, the place where you are. So you need to set the time zone automatically. This will detect the region in which you are, at the time zone in which you are, and then you need to set the time automatically. And the final step you can do is you can click on sync now, so it syncs the time and the date to the Windows server. And once you get this tick mark, then your all your processes like your browser and everything else should work perfectly. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.